Sharing an individual sheet within Google Sheets may accomplish your purposes, but often you're going to work with people on more than one thing, or there's more than one resource you need to share. And in that case, rather than sharing each of them individually, it's a lot easier in Google Drive to share a folder. To do that, all you need to do is come to the folder that you want to share, and you get it selected, and you can either come up here to get a shareable link. You can click on this to go share it, or you can, for instance, option click on it right here and do share. And then you're going to add the person you want to share it with. You can put in a specific email address and then with that include a message to them, or you can get a link that you can share with people. You've got a lot of different choices here. I personally have it set that anybody on the web could actually search for this. It's searchable on Google and get it, or they have a specific link, lots of other ways. And you also have the option of whether they can view it, see the contents, or whether they can organize, add, and edit information within each of these. Now, right now I have it set to just view. And let's see, well, if you're looking at these files, you know how it works, but I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to open up an incognito window so I'm not logged into this one. And I'll enter that link and go to it. And what you have here are the three different files. I've got a little icon file. You can look at that one. It's just a little Data Lab icon. I've got an empty document that says we're sharing this. This is where it's shared. And I've got the spreadsheet that I'm working on right now. And when I open this one, it gives us this little advertisement. Lets us know that new things are coming. You can see who's logged into it. That's my personal account. That's my company account. And although you can only view it here, you do have the option of downloading the file just as you did when we were sharing individual files. The nice thing, of course, is anything that anybody puts into the folder is automatically shared with everybody else who has access to it. And when you're working on a project with more than one step in it, say, for instance, you have a presentation, you have a report, you have several different files that build up to it, sharing a folder is going to be a faster, more efficient, and more effective way of collaborating within Google Sheets.